Okay, this morning of day number 3 of my Radical Night Repair Cream, basically home type of peel system. I'm telling you that today, maybe you can see a little bit more red color, certainly pink, but more red color to my face and skin already. The issue is we've been putting the product on. It's definitely working for me. Certainly feeling it a lot more at this point. So men who do the program like myself, I could definitely feel it even while I was shaving this morning. But just in general, it almost has a little bit more of that feel of when you get a chemical peel and you can feel the skin sort of tightening and having all the proteins reacting to the chemical peel. You can start to feel some of that now. So the goal is to continue to apply the Radical Night Repair Cream on a twice a day basis. We're going to see how long we can move forward with this protocol and see if I can make really effective changes to my skin going forward. So I look forward to continuing to give you all the updates in terms of what we're going to do and the results that I get with my Radical Night Repair Cream program. And I'll continue to give these updates going forward. Take care. See you here at Wirth Plastic Surgery.